Well, siyalibingelela lonke ibandla likaNkulunkulu at this time, at this point in time. Waze wamuhla uJesu even right now as we see things taking place. Thank you so much, Bazalwane, for all the support that we have been receiving and obtaining esikhathini esiphila kusona. I just wanted to share these things with you. I hope and I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzoyithinta impilo yabantu abaningi. Well, incwadi esizofunda kuyona namhlanje uGenesis chapter 37. uJakobe mayithatha le blessing naye uyithatha nje ngoba umfana owayehlala ekhaya elalela abazali, kakhulukazi uma wakhe ezwa ngomuntu wesifazane, ngoba umuntu wesifazane eyitholile injula yokuthi njengoba ngila emzini kaEsaka nginamadodana amabili Esau noJakobe. uJakobe is stayed, uJakobe is obedient, uJakobe is available, uJakobe is teachable, une teachable spirit. uJakobe is easily influenceable by me, his mother, uRebecca, lo ekuthiwa wahamba nenceke enkulu kaAbraham iyomlanda imfundisa ngemfihlo kaAbraham. Yathi imfundisa ngemfihlo kaAbraham, imfundisa nango Isaka, uIsaka okuyena owubaba kaJakobe, uJakobe okuyena umbaba kaJosefa. uJosefa ke uyena othi mebizwa Abrahamu athi kuAbraham khokho wami, athi kuIsaka mkhulu wami, athi kuJakobe baba wami. Na uJosefa siyayibona indima yomuntu wesifazane loya. uJesu athi mama ebheka indodana, athi indodana bheka umama. But siyayibuka lezi zinto, sizokhuluma ngento emfishane namhlanje. uJohn 16, inyanga yabantu abasha, usuku olunzima lolu olusibuyisela emuva, futhi lisibuza umbuzo ukuthi sithule sithini kube kunje ezweni lakithi. Wow, sikhuluma ngoJosefa labafowethu elithi iBhayibheli lami, noma ke izinto zasezenzakele ngendlela ezazenzakele ngayo. uRebecca akhethe ukufundisa imfihlo uJakobe ngoba naye imfihlo wayefundiswe inceke enkulu kaAbraham. inceke enkulu kaAbraham ngokweBhayibheli nangokwe-revelation, inceke enkulu kaAbraham umoya oyingcwele. Uyabona ukuthi iBhayibheli noJesu, indaba kaJesu eBhayibheli nasiyitholi kuqala ngoMateyu noma kuIsaya noma kuDavide. uJesu khona in each and every chapter of the Bible. Uyambona mufunda ngomoya oyingcwele, uyambona mufunda ngomoya oyingcwele. But masikhuluma ngoJosefa, sikhuluma, ngizama nje ukuthi ngimnabisele, kodwa kufanele uhambe uyobuka zonke ezinye intshumayelo ezikhona ku TikTok na ku YouTube. Ilanganda kakhulu ngoJakobe, ukuthi namhlanje langanda kakhulu ngoJakobe noJosefa bonke laba abanye. But namhlanje ukuthi ngifuna ukungena in this specific peptide, or in this specific catalog, or in this specific point, or in this specific trail of thought. Namhlanje sikhuluma about the power of having your very own personal vision. Isikhathi esiphila kusona, isikhathi somsindo, isikhathi la khona kugcwele imbewu yomsindo. Kade ngikhuluma nomama umfundisi ekseni, ngithi mama umfundisi, uyazi kwesisikhathi ekhaya makuvuka umsindo, umoya engcwele yathi kuwe withdraw. Izolo kade sifundisa, cela uhambe uye ku-YouTube, kade ngifundisa ngeprayer. Sifunde incwadi laphana, I think uMark, la kuthiwa khona and Jesus withdrew from everything and everybody into the wilderness in order to pray. lento yokushiya umsindo uye ukuyozifuna wena uzithole isemqoka. Ngize ngalinganisa ngabantu abayigwili, ngathi igwili azihlale emsindweni. Angazi ayifunda phi igwili lento ukuthi abantu bayashiywa nomsindo wabo, bashiywe nesiphithiphithi. Umuntu ohamba noNkulunkulu akasifuni isiphithiphithi. I've been told, ngoba ngihlala kakhulu nomama, bengitshena ngamadoda kaNkulunkulu nangabantu abaseve uNkulunkulu before my time, besho ukuthi abantu ababehamba beyintabeni because they can't afford to go hiking, they can't afford to go on a yacht, they can't afford to go to Dubai in that skyscraper so that they can observe silence. But they can always travel to the rural areas and then venture into the mountains. Babengayi lapha entabeni okwenza into eyisimanga. Babeyokwenza lento ekuthiwa personal introspection. Babeyokwenza lento ekuthiwa ukuyilanda nokuqoqa umzimba wakho, nokuhlola ukuthi yini okade uyenza ubuyenzelani, yini eyenzeke kuwena, yenzeke kanjani, wena wenzeni ukuthi yenzeke kuwe. Babethola isikhathi sokureflecta lento ekuthiwa ukudla amathambo engqondo. Yebo, abanye babekubiza ngokuthi uyozila, uyothandaza, uyofasta. That is part of it, but it is not the main thing. The main thing is the observation of silence. Abantu abaningi, they are disturbed or they are uncomfortable in silence. uJesu kwakuyindoda yomthandazo. Umthandazo, one of the major elements of prayer, it's introspection. And another major element of prayer, bazalwane, is silence. Because where there is no silence, there will be no communication. There will be no proper communication, because no khulumayo akekho omzwayo, no funa ukuzwa akakwazi umuzwa okhulumayo ngoba kunomsindo. There is noise. Now, noise will compromise many major aspects of a person's growth. That is why kunendawo ethi Urania, when they are interviewed, abantu bakuleya ndawo laba bathi abafuna abantu abamnyama bafuna ukuhlala bodwa, bathi enye yezinto esiyithanda kakhulu ngokuba kule ndawo Kraaifontein, angazi noma uStandfontein loyana, mabebuzwa abantu amabhunu namangisi akulezo indawo, bathi there is silence in this place, kunokuthula. Sasinomama Gita laphana William Carey, uMrs James. She says, my heritage or my past or my family comes from the Free State. She even told us that sometimes there will be a huge fire in the farms there in the Free State, and the fire will burn the fields. She didn't like us to light fires. And then the more we probe about this place that she's coming from, because we were still in the mission school, we were trained by missionaries, she says, what I like about this place and the place that I come from is because there is no noise. William Carey School of World Missions is situated in Verulam, there in Oxford Drive. There is an Oxford Street there, Oxford Primary School, and then our school is right about there. She will just say, I like this place because there is no noise here. Nobody is disturbing. Nobody is intruding the peace that is in this place. Kunokuthula. Dingakho uJesu ekhuluma ngokuthula okudlula ukuqonda konke. Now, ukuthula kungenzeka kungabi is-silence, because kuyenzeka ukuthula kungabi bikho noma ungekho umsindo. Kodwa kuvamile ukuthi la umsindo ungekho khona ukuthula nakho kube khona. So you can control umsindo empilweni yakho ukuze ukwazi ukachieve lento engizokhuluma ngayi, personal development. Personal development comes from having a personal vision. Joseph was a boy of vision, even though he was living in a situation of limitation. I want to stress this, that people chose a different path. They knew that an invasion is starting in the north, in Nigeria, an invasion is starting in Cape Town. They knew. And when that invasion started, because there was also a situation where many people who were there to cause nation instability, because when they started to invade this planet called Kush, they had strategic approach. They started by causing strife and division. Each and every kingdom, there was someone who was sent to plant a seed of division. You find that those people who did that were people who were undermined, who were neglected, who were underestimated, who were regarded as the nobodies in the society or in that kingdom or in those kingdoms. So those people were selected and they were promised riches. They were actually given riches, and then they were trained as to how to cause significant instability in the nation. So that is how kingdoms were destroyed. That is how the rich history of this continent was destroyed up until today. They simply introduced noise, Bazalan. They simply introduced noise, unending noise. Who is fighting who? Who is the enemy of who? Who must always be consistently fighting with who? Perpetual battles. Ideologies, ideas. I heard Julius Malema when he said, I represent an idea. I represent an idea. It's not personal, but it's just that I represent an idea. There are many things. I heard Jacob Zuma said when he rose up, they asked him, and then he said, who do you think is gonna be the leader? I have been silent for such a period of time. According to you young people of this country, who do you think is worthy to lead this country? And then we hear Paul say, let nobody exploit your youth. Ungavumeli umuntu akaphaze ubusha bakho. Ungavumeli umuntu adelele ubusha bakho. Yes, you are young, you are inexperienced, you don't know. You are doing nothing but trial and error. But follow the pattern of that young boy called Joseph. Joseph was a young visionary. Joseph was born in a place of limitation. Joseph was born in a place of rejection. Joseph was born in a place that gave him nothing but negativity. Joseph was born in a country where there were pilgrims because they were planting tents. But Joseph caught the vision, he catched it. He was sleeping at night together with his brothers, but there was something that took charge of that young boy, that young page. That boy had a dream. There's some wealth also in this dream. The dream that Joseph had was not limited by his finances. The dream that Joseph had was not limited by his situation. The dream that Joseph had was not adherent to his current situation. The dream that Joseph possessed from God did not have any limitations, because Joseph believed that he is going to be a ruler. He captured the vision. He became part of the vision. He embraced it, and then he pursued it. Every day when he slept, he woke up in pursuit. When he woke up, he rose up in pursuit. When he was sabotaged, he rose up in pursuit. Just like Jesus. There's something that we catch about all these young men. Speaking about Abo Stefan, abantu abawubamba umbono. Siyazwa namhlanje kuthiwa kubuyelwe emasisweni. Abantu babuyele ezintweni zakudala nasemikhubeni engasizi ngalutho kubhale eBhayibhelini. Yakhuluma uPaul lapha, athi nibuyelelane ezintweni zokhokho esakhishwa kuzo ezasingasizi ngalutho. Shumayela ivangeli bazalwane, nathi zashunyelwa kuthina sitoto swanga. Sasitshena kuthiwa sikhumbuzo uma uhlulwa utho musuku ulishintsha lolotho olukuhlula ulenze libe yidoctrine. Vuma ukuthi uyahluleka usizakale. Musukushintsha ukwahluleka kwakho uholela abantu ophathe. Ngoba ke wena manje you are gay, sekufuneka sonke ke manje sibe gay. ngoba phela wena manje ufuna imali, sekufuneka sonke sikhonzele inyoka zakho ukuze sithole imali nathi. Ngoba phela wena uqabane nomfundisi manje, sekufuneka sonke sibe izitha ikamfundisi. Ngoba wena awunayo imali, wahlukunyezwa, sekufuneka sonke manje sithathe le ngqondo yakho yokuthi wahlukunyezwa sihambe ngayo manje. Wahlukunyezwa abelungu, wahlukunyezwa amabhunu, sekufuneka sigijime lapho ke nathi manje silwe izimpi. Abasebenza uNelson Mandela bathi ayivinjwe lento ingafinyelela esizukulwane esilandelayo, because uma nami ngiretaliate entweni eyenziwe kumina ngendlela eyodwa, it doesn't make any difference. Siyafana sobabili. The monster that the forefathers of this land were trying to keep caged is now being it's being set loose. Sibona abantu behamba ne-knowledge, kuyajatshulwa kuthiwa bahambe. Bahamba with umlando, bahamba with umsoco, bayo invest eAmerica, bashiya la nezwe nje. uNelson Mandela nami ngeke ngamgxeka, but ngenxa ukuthi ame scholar, kukhona into ethi no man, that man was a deep thinker. Ama decisions awenza wayengasacabangela isizukulwane sakhe, ngoba vele bonke labo bantu bazophela bephelele ehlane. But wayebona lelizwe okuthiwa kokule makuthiwa ifreedom, wayebona le freedom okuyo freedom from what? Freedom from perpetuated battles, freedom from fighting wars. Kyaliwe ugogo wayelwa nomkhulu nawe uyangena, uanti ulwa nobaba wakho nawe uyangena, baba wakho ulwa noma wakho nawe uyangena, uyalwa. You don't even have time to develop yourself. You are perpetually fighting. There is no silence, there is no sense of personal development. Usempini. Life is clouded and cluttered. You can't think clearly. You are making decisions based on the now and not considering years to come. These are the injustices that were done to you. We agree. The world has not been kind to you. But there's also this twist. Bazalwane, can't we choose a different path? That is what made that man an icon. He just simply chose a different path. Zaziningi izinto itekiwe eGibhithe, ayingayikhetha uJosepha. Kodwa uJosepha bazalwane kuthiwa walala, wakhetha ukulalela iphupho, wakhetha ukuvumelana necebo. Hamba ongena ku TikTok khona la ngikhuluma khona nokuvumelana necebo. Kuyavunyelwa necebo, but enye into engiyithanda ngoJosepha ukuthi uJosepha wangena foreigner eEgypt, njengoba eSouth Africa kuhlukunyezwa ama-foreigners. Akangiyikhuzi South Africa, abahlushwa abantu bokufika mabefikile, ngoba benza ukuthi umsebenzi wethu okushumayela ivangeli ube lula. Sebezilethe bona, asibabambe sibafaka uJesu, ngoba uma singakwenzi lokho njengoba kwashiwe eGibhithe kwathiwa abaningi bayazalana, asihlakaniphele maqondana nabo, sibenze igqila. But we can redirect that energy bazalwane, bonke labantu abagcwele la izweni lakithi. Let us reincorporate them. Let us work together. But how can we work together if we don't come from the same God? How can we work together if we don't have the same idea, the same understanding? When the barbarians realized that the power of the Roman Empire is their division, they started to unite. And then they overthrew the Roman Empire. Bahlangana. They set aside their differences. Baqala babambisana. Izinto ezazenzeka engqondweni kaJosepha. Josepha wayenombono. Josepha wayendoda enombono. Josepha, angimpraise uJosepha ukuthi uJosepha is a type of Jesus. Ngoba kuthiwa kwathi mase kufuneka bambulale, yasukuma insizwa uJuda yathi hayi madoda asingambulala, ngoba uJuda wayebaza abafowabo ukuthi babonakele khani i-environment abaphile kuyona iba moshile psychologically. Because bazalwane kuyenzeka umoshwe inhliziyo yakho, imoshwe izimo olibe lungena izimo zimosha inhliziyo yakho, zidle igcina corrupt to the core. Kodwa uma uyinikeza uJesu, athi Nkosi ngiyabela wena inhliziyo yami, ithabathi, ipolice, icwilise egazini lakho, uyabona isiyomile, izimo ziyenza zinakho ukuthi zicorrupt ingqondo. Kwasho dadewethu wathi Sikhumbuzo, your mind is impacted by many things. Your mind has been violated by many things. Your mind is crushing under the weight of your lifetime experiences that have consistently been impacting you. You need to find time to heal, young man. Khuluma lawo mazwi wakhuluma ekhali inyembezi. Athi moya ngcwele ngicela ungisize. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakala nempilweni yakho, kodwa we are talking about the power of having a personal vision. Umbono wakho ngempilo yakho, wena uthini? That boy was part of a group of boys ababe party bam like Africa, a group of boys that were like a military of some sort. He rose through the ranks in this military group that he was part of. They called themselves. They moved from town to town, causing havoc in the name of fostering peace and uniting the nation. They called themselves many names. But there was this boy who rose through the ranks. They were killing. They were robbing. In the name of that, they are causing unity. They were fighters. Fighters. They were warriors. They called themselves warriors. Young men. Young men. Moving from town to town. Causing havoc, collecting tears. Tears of women that they abused. But as the time went on, rising through the ladder of this so-called success in this battalion, there came a time where he was the general or the second in command of the commander-in-chief, or the one who was the leader of this movement. The leader of the movement also had another leader above him. It's just that he was unknown. So this boy rose up until he became even a threat to the one who is the general, because he was a commander. There came a time where this general was recalled by his leaders. They told him that we are dethroning you, we are removing you. We are going to take your second in command. The commander, this boy that I'm talking about, is going to be the general. And we are going to we are reassigning you to become a security here just for us in the offices. The man became so jealous. There's something I'm talking about here. Became so jealous of this young man. And besides, he was also angry of his superiors. Instead of promoting him to the higher level, they are demoting him. Remember, he had grown in ego and pride. He started to conspire against the young boy, since because he could not ascend and impact or retaliate to the superiors, because that superior man who was superior to him told him that, okay, we are demoting you because of certain reasons. We think you need a rest. We are gonna, in your stead, put this young boy who is your commander. And then when he got back to the troops, he started conspiring against this boy. And then something happened. Right before this boy got promoted, he was found resting in hospital, wounded. He was only left with a couple of minutes. And in his last minutes, he spoke to one of the boys that were newly initiated into this gang of rascals and hooligans and abusers. Can't call them these names because you better understand that they've been through a lot. Can't call them these names, you're judging them because they've been through a lot. So what happened was, in his deathbed, he called one boy who was also promising to rise up through the ranks. He also has his own accolades and achievements. He's got a very, he's a boy of about 14 years old, very young. But he also has a list, already has a list of people that he has killed. Prominent people that he has already killed. And then this boy who is resting in his deathbed, who was just about to become the general of the whole battalion, he speaks to this young boy. Say, hey, look at me. I'm dying now. What I know is that I did not have someone to tell me the truth. And then he said, what really is the truth? Well, I don't know what is the truth, but I know what has happened to me. Please don't follow the same path I've gone through. Please don't go through this same direction that I've been through. I understand that it's promising, becoming famous, known all over, becoming a friend of everybody, having all the titles, the power, the money, the fame. It is all just a facade. It's a facade. As Solomon said it. Okay, he ended there. He just wanted this young man, said, don't take my path. Don't walk where I've walked. He didn't take time to explain everything because this young boy has him as his inspiration, has him as his mentor. The African dream, every boy's dream, to carry that machine on your hand, go around killing everybody. Every boy's dream to be a leader, to be famous, to be rich, to have fame. Whilst we are still talking about the power of having a personal vision and personal development, I'd like to also tell you the story of the pig. Once a farmer had many pigs, but there was one pig that was just chosen. This pig was given the finest food. He will eat anything that he wants. He developed and became the biggest pig in the farm. Look at me, I'm pink and I'm big. I eat what I want, when I want to eat it, as I want to eat it. He became the most famous pig. Pink pig. There came a time where this pig grew so proud that he started to even walk into the house of the farmer. Say, I don't want to sleep in the stable with all those other stinking pigs. I want to sleep in the bed. I want to have food. I want to eat in the dining table with the family. I want to become a family member. Became so proud, flaunting his tail. And everybody was busy asking, why are you allowing this pig to walk all over? Why are you allowing this pig to say what they want to say? Why are you allowing this pig to do whatsoever that they want to do? And then the owner will just look down and be quiet. The pig started demanding food. The pig started opening cupboards. The pig became very comfortable. Guess what? It's the famous pig. Powerful, famous, known by everybody. Everybody is respecting him. It's the biggest in the farm. But there was a twist. There came a day where this pig even attempted to eat the child of the farmer. He said, look at this pig. Almost ate our child. Then the owner of the pig did not say anything. The pig grew very big and enormous. Everybody would marvel when they see this pig. It was taken to auctions. But what was so amazing, what was thought-provoking is when everybody would look at this pig, it's not really admiration, but it's desire. They were desirous of this pig. Instead of asking how much would it cost to take this pig and keep it in my house, they were secretly asking, when are you going to slaughter this pig? I'm sure it's going to taste so good. It did not know that it was fattened for the slaughter. It did not know that it was prepared to be killed one day. qhubeka ingulube yanona ingulube yanona ingulube kanti ayazi ukuthi inoniselwa ukuthi iyohlatshwa ngelinye ilanga. Angazi bazalana ukuthi ingulube nonaphi la unona khona. Angazi ukuthi kephi la osuyitshena ukuthi uyabelonga la. Wenza noma yini oyithandayo. Wenza noma yini ofisa ukuyenza isikhathi esithandwa wena. Lapho ke ukhona khumbula ukuthi kunomhlabelelo. Wathi buya mntwana ubuyele ekhaya. Musukulibala. Buyele ekhaya. Khaya bakulindile. Ekhaya sekhaya ulendiwe. Yanona ingulube kade yazi ukuthi ngolunye usuku umaster lo hlala ehleka, hlala ethi awumyekeni. Abuye ngasazwile. Abuye ngasahleki. Manje yamangala lengulube uthi njoba ngena wangena seshesha kangaka. Bangena futhi sebebaningi bawu 16. Uphethe iketangu. Hawu, helani leliketangu. Naba sebeligoqa belifaka. Bambopha inyawo. Hayibo. Khala ingulube yakhala. Thola. Babopha inyawo, babopha ikhanda, bayivala umlomo ngoba unamazinya acijile. Yathi yakhala. Bayithatha bonke bawu 16 bayifukula iyasinda. Khuluphele phela. Kwazise ibidla noma yini eyithandayo noma inini noma kanjani. Benza noma yini. Kwasho lo ya mama wathi amajele ahlukahlukene emhlabeni. Yonke iminyango yalamajele ivulekile. Ungena uphume noma kanjani noma inini. Amajele. Kodwa ngelinye ilanga uyothi uyangena. Iyovaleka kuze kube phakathi. Ewe bazalwane, lamajele esiphila kuwo. Singena siphume ngesikhathi esithanda ngaso. Ngelinye ilanga umnyango uyovaleka kuze kube phakathi. Ngaphinda uvuleka. Lithi bayithatha ingulube. Leli phepha engangilifunda. Bayifaka evenini. Mayithi iyaqalaza. Yathi mayithi iyaqalaza kubhaliwe lapho ukuthi silaga. Sephutsha. Yabona kwasa kuyo. Kuthi awu kanti benginoniselwa ukuthi ngiyohlatshwa ngelinye ilanga. Ayesho njalo ubaba. Athi mfana wamzibalekele indlela zodumo. Ungalufuni udumo. Ungafuni ukuthandwa abantu. Balekela zonke lezi zinto. Mayicala zonke iqala kancane. Njengexoxe lafakwe eketeleni kwalibele nje kunyusa umlilo. Alizwa lona ukuthi amanzi ayabila. Alizwa lona libele lizukufudumala. Laphaphama emanzi esegqapha. Kwasho ukuthi seku late. Ngoba neinyawo ayisakwazi ukugxuma. Kwasho ukuthi seku late. Nangu Jesu dinga impilo yakho. Koze kube nini ubalekela uJesu. Khuluma ngoJosepha labazalwane ukuthi ipersonal development yakho ilele kuKristu Jesu okuyena ozokutshengisa indlela. Zonke lezi zinto ngichazile ku-TikTok, ngena ku-TikTok ama topics maningi, ngena ku-YouTube, okunye sengikunyathela njengamatshe kuhle komuntu oweqa umfula. Kodwa kukhona kubeki ukuthi uhambe ukubuka ku-YouTube na ku-Facebook. Personal development demands that you choose a different path, young man or young lady. Bonke bayaganga bayadlala bamosha impilo zabo. Bayile genge efika idlala umuntu adlale 15 years 25 years 30 years uyadlala bese zophapha na 40 esezoforsa ama expectations akhe kuingane zakhe. Papa muna 50 manje sekufuneke sonke ke manje sibe under I pressure manje yakho yokuthi wena impilo yakho imoshile usu expect ukuthi thina siphilise wena kahle ube wena uyimoshile impilo yakho. You messed up your whole life deliberately. That masugugile usuzo pressurize thina. So izinto ezenzakalayo lezo kwi society abantu abahlule ukusebenza kusasemini. Imini yempilo yakho ubusha bakho. Ingqondo yakho kulesi sigaba 15 years, 14 years, 30 years, 13 years, 8 years, 1 year old, 5 year old, 6 year old, up to your 40s. Leo time bracket is sihle. It's an ideal time to develop yourself. So that when you reach the time that will demand for you to answer, you will have something to say. You'll have something to do. You'll be able to do it, and you'll be enabled because now you have skill. You've got backup. Umiste, ubaba kaSibanibani, umyeni kaSibanibani, uelder ebandleni, umfundisi, udokotela, unjine, unama skills akusizayo ukuthi ube yilo baba okuthi uye. You have strategic approaches. You've learned. You have got a pool, a wealth of knowledge that was coming from all those who lived before you. That is right to inheritance. Lento sayitshenwa. Azathi omunye manithi ngisuwe ezintweni zasekhaya nithangephi. Ngoba lento ngayifundiswa ubaba into engayitshenwe ekhaya. Ubani wena ngimficela eThekwini uzongitshena enye into. Sineyingane namhlanje. Efike ema university umuntu efikela ukuzofunda afika lahla umbono. Buyele ekhaya umama ugogo. Khuluma ngogogo bazalwana ugogo athi uNkulunkulu ngigcine ngibambe ngingafi. Lengane at least ithola umatric, ithola idegree. Nange buya nesisu namhlanje. Qhamuke university. Uzoyaphi? Buyele ekhaya. Nange buya nombiko uthi usekhulela isile. Abakwangane bathi naye akasiyeke isikole ayosebenza ondlela engane. Siyeka akasiyeke ngeke ingane yethu bathi besathi bazohlawula abuze ubaba kama wengane athi nizohlawula ingane yenu eyami yona. Uyabona ukuthi usufaka abantu abadala ehlazo ntothi umndeni ohloniphekile umndeni wakini. Sekufanele bambe beqhuba imbuzi manje. Beyohlawula lengane yakho. Ukube uzile ekuthini sikhona kusila siza singena ko Facebook ukuzokutshela ukuthi kwenziwa njani ukuthi uavoid yonke lo uzofaka ugogo ukhulisa ugogo ukhulisa umkhulu ngempesheni. Akusekho yena ukucabanga. Hlale phansi umuntu omusha ucabange and think. Mina bengeke ngihlale phansi ukuthi uma Nkosi yami ngiyomqala ngakephi Nkosi yami. Ngathi ngivele nginama weaknesses angaka already ngizo add amanye ngizohlala nabantu abangena umbono ngizo add ezinye inkinga phekwe inkinga. Ngahlala phansi ngibe lazy nami ngilale njengabo bonke abantu ngazi kahle ukuthi nginoma ongidingayo kuyimanje. Phile nami a notorious life. Gijime ngela ngithanda ukuya khona. Izinto lezi bazalwane ongeke uyitshenwe abantu abakufunela ukuthi uphile impilo abayifunela ukuthi benefit ebone ekugcineni. Aphela bayazi ukuthi if you escape ubaleka nengcebo bakudinga la. Ingakho bekutshena mangibethu you are good, you are okay, you are fine. Abakwazi ukukutshena iqiniso. Go on, keep on moving, you're smart, you're beautiful, we love you. They will give you the lollipop. One day you will be expecting a lollipop, a knife will come, cut you. That is what happened to that pig. But it was a different story with Joseph. Because Joseph was also in a similar situation. But Joseph chose not to be a pig. Joseph chose to follow the path that he was shown when he was still at home in the company of his brethren and his parents. One of you will argue and say, I don't have parents, I don't have a father. You are a liar. The African society, the South African society, nobody is without parents. It takes a village, it takes a nation to raise a child. Baningi kabo baba no mama bako abakutshenisayo kuze kube kwangoku ukuthi ba oma bakho. Akekho umuntu ongenamzali in this country. Akekho uNkulunkulu esimkhonza noma ngathi uyamkhonza noma umkhonzi wenza sure ukuthi ukhona umuntu oyifather figure. Noma nje umbuka kancane lapha emsebenzini ngoba eyicleaner uyifather figure ku and uyabona na ukuthi yonke into akutshena yona iyakusebenzela. Awumlaleli ngani pho? Amuzwa ngani tutheni? Uyakhuluma nje. Akakho nje umuntu oyintandana. Akekho futhi umuntu okwazi ukujustify namba bengitshena kanje njengoba ngitshena. That wonke ama actions akho are wrong Skhumbuzo, you have got no excuse. You are wrong. You are wrong. And mabesho lonto umoya ngcolo wangipha amandla ukuthi ngingadebate, ngingadiscuss. Hambe ngiyobuza yena, umoya ngcolo sengikwenzile lokhu ngenze njani? How do I move on? I've fallen here and there. What do I do? UNkulunkulu onjalo, uNkulunkulu ositshengisa indlela. The power of a personal vision. These are warnings. Indlebe magezwe. I have to go, bazalwane. Usuku liyaqhubeka. Insuku ziyaqhubeka. Sonke solibele sakhuluma kanje. Ekugcineni umuntu okumele decide wena. Gcineni. Umuntu omele nje isigqibo noma isinqumo uwe. Sikhuluma ngamandla okuba nombono, umbono obhekene nawe, umbono wakho. Wena uyapi? Uzifunelani? Uphilela ini? uNkulunkulu akavela anibusise bazalwane, anenzele nonke umusa, anenze kahle. Uqhubeka nginibone ku TikTok na ku YouTube na ku Facebook. I hope konke enifisela kona uNkulunkulu anenzele kuyinyanga kaJune. Konke kubekiwe bazalwane. Khona engineering, khona literature, khona music, khona ama sports, khona outer space, khona marine world. Konke kubekiwe, khona fashion, the world of entertainment, many different industries that are a planet of their own. Nathi la kaJesu siyakudinga. Hambe mfethu uzenze ukhuthalela ungothembekile phambi kaNkulunkulu uzombona. uNkulunkulu futhi mekubiza. Mina encourage anybody. Mawuzwa ubizo phe kwempilo yakho, ithuluzi lakhe lisemqoka kuna wonke ileli lokulalela. Wonke umuntu okhulumayo akazi ukuthi mekhuluma nawe ulalele. Nomba makasenje umzwili uNkulunkulu ukuthi uyakubiza. Ithuluzi elisemqoka kuna wonke ukulalela. Iba umuntu olalelayo. Baze basha abantu bathi uyalalela lo. Kadeni uyokukhumbuza ukuthi wathini kuyena ngo2020 ku2050. Yabo nje nami khona engabalalela. Ikhumbula kahle ukuthi wathini. Ngiqala lolu hambo noNkulunkulu. Khumbula kahle. Omunye angisho mangihlangana naye endleleni ngibone sekhophozele bheka phansi uyakhumbula ukuthi wathini. Kodwa kusho khona ukuthi ke bazalwane sabantu abalalelayo sithathe sifake emgodla godlweni bese siyombuza uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uma abantu ke besho nje khona enye movie ngayibona kuthiwa the president's girlfriend. Lo muntu wesifazane wangena enkingeni ngenxa yokuthi wayeyintombi kaMengameli. Kunjalo ukuba umntwana kaNkulunkulu uba njengentombi kaMengameli. Kuba ukuthi nje umhlonishwa uRamaphosa kuthiwa usenentombi, public girlfriend. Izinto angena kuzona ngenxa ukuthi uyintombi kaMengameli manje. Kunjalo ukuba umntwana kaNkulunkulu noma ngathi ukephi uyintombi kaMengameli. Hamba noJesu. Wonke umuntu uyakubuza nabakukhwifa ngemithi bayakubuza. uJesu wakho uthini ke mase sikwenza nje. Nabakuquestiona uthi awubheka unamala unalutho uphi lo Jesu wakho. So ngibe kuleyo nkinga bazalwane empilweni yami ke ngabhala lapho ku Facebook. Ngathi empilweni yami I came across many unfaithful fathers. Many unfaithful abantu who do not keep their promise. But uNkulunkulu abese yabuya athi uma bengayigcina ngabona ithembiso mina ngiyigcinanga yini isikhumbuzo. Have I not been faithful to you? Did I not show up? God showed up for Joseph. Wabonakala uJoseph a riser to the high echelons of power. Joseph waba second in command to iGibhithe lonke akekho emkhulu kuno Joseph ngaphandle kaFaro ngoba naye nje futhi kwakhona umqhele ekhanda lakhe. After years of suffering in isolation, in camera, Nicodemously, privately, then God promoted that young man publicly. Yonke imisebenzi oyenza ungabonwa umuntu uNkulunkulu uyayiveza ibona umhlaba ngelinye ilanga. Engasayivezeli wena kodwa ukuze udumo lonke libuyele kuye. Ingakho bazalwane, mangishumayela ngoJesu njengoba ngishumayela ngoJesu, uJesu, ngoba yonke into engiyiyo nenginayo nengisazoba yiyo kuyizethembiso azenzile ayigcinayo kuze kubeka lokhu. Hlale senibusisa uJesu. Iba nombono umuntu omusha, ba nombono kuyokusiza.